Yes, acrylics, gels, fibers, tips. We can do all different colors and shapes. So very exciting, and nail art, beautification of your nail tips here. However, our nails, when we take all that away, our nails can say a lot about our health. And if we have weak nails, brittle nails, it is something that's happening internally. So we do really need to look at what's causing these weaknesses of these nails. And by covering them up with a gel or fiber or acrylics, it will not strengthen your nails, your actual nail plate. And if we have weak nails, we may become very self-conscious. Thankfully, there's a lot of things that we can do to strengthen your nail plate, to improve them, and for your own nails to grow. There's a lot of things. Today I'm going to give you 10 tips. There's things like lifestyles, nutrition, to stay hydrated, supplementation, and to avoid certain chemicals. You can actually see your nails becoming strong. So very quickly, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maria and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online. I am so happy for you to be here, but also for my subscribers that have been here week after week in supporting me. I am an esthetician, an instructor, an examiner for many years, and I also have training, online training for nails, aesthetics, makeup. Love to connect with you. Give me comments below. So let's get started. How to strengthen our nails. Here are 10 tips that can help you to strengthen your actual natural nail. So let's look at internally. Number one, taking supplements, nutritional supplements. So when we have deficiencies in vitamin B, A, E, vitamin C, we will start seeing dryness of the nails, peeling of the nails. We all know that the foods we eat, it does affect your skin, your hair, your nails. But if you don't do it consistently, you will not see the results. So it is not a magic pill. It does take time for the body to rebuild itself. So a deficiency in the B complex, especially biotin, will produce on the nail plate the little ridges along the nail bed. A diet lacking in calcium contributes to dry, brittle nails. Now, a lack of folic acid and vitamin C, oh wow, you will start getting those ugly hangnails, and sometimes they're so painful. Insufficient dietary essential oils like the omega-3, you will see cracking of the nails and also your heels. Now, the animal proteins like beef, poultry, fish, and eggs are full of the source of zinc. However, if you're a vegetarian, soy, chickpeas, black beans, nuts such as almonds and cashew, and seeds contain all that. Zinc is required for the healthy growth of your nails. Now, biotin is a big vitamin, can help strengthen your hair and your nails. It also helps the body's nervous system to function properly. So if you don't have it, you might be kind of hyper. So let's get the vitamin B in. It can be found in foods also, such as sardines. I don't like sardines. Cooked eggs, okay, legumes, or you can take a B vitamin. One of the things that I take for myself and I see has strengthened my nails is the NRF2, and I will put a link below. Number 2, minimize the exposure to water. So soaking your hands long term in water can cause your nails to become weak and brittle. What you need to do is to wear gloves when you do housework or washing the dishes. It's impossible to always avoid submerging your hands in water, but be mindful about it. Number 3, stay hydrated, meaning drinking enough water. It is essential for the health of your skin, your nails, and your health in general. Without adequate moisture, nails can become brittle, weak, and they will break very easily. Drinking enough water, we're talking about 6 to 8 glasses of water per day, will help retain the moisture and prevent nail splitting. Number 4, pay attention to your diet. Make sure you're eating enough nutrient dense and different variety of food. As well, taking a very good multiple vitamin and mineral. The EMP, I find is amazing, and I will have a link below. A diet that is deficient in crucial vitamins and minerals can affect your entire body, including your skin and your nails. The healthiest foods for your nails are dark leafy greens like spinach, broccoli, kale, charred greens, and that all boost your nail health. Number 5, be careful about the products you use daily on your nails, such as your nail polishes or different kinds of treatments containing harsh chemicals that can actually weaken your nails. Now, like a polish remover that contains acetone, it will take your polish off really quickly, but it also will damage and dehydrate the nail plate. If you use a hand sanitizer, and we all do, we have one in the house, one in the car, try not to get it onto your nails because it will dehydrate, and use it with moderation. So I usually take a little bit and I do like this. And the alcohol-based sanitizers, yes, they will dry out your nails and hands and leading again to brittle nails. Number 6, well, I will get some people that will not agree with me, but I would say avoid using gels, acrylics, fibers, tips if possible. These ingredients or chemicals will not, I tell you, will not strengthen your nail. It will just apply a coating on top of your nail. And guess what? Your nail plate is still weak. If you don't take care internally, that nail plate will not strengthen by applying the gel or the acrylic. While these are thought as easy alternatives for those who have trouble growing their nails, frequent use will cause peeling and weakening the nails further. But if you still like to wear them, be sure to give your nails a break once in a while between applications, and find yourself a very good nail technician that she or he will respect you and your nail bed. Now, something else, exposure to the UV light, especially when you do gel polish and the sculpture gels, is identified as a risk of skin cancer and also aging of the skin. The Skin Cancer Foundation recommends applying sunscreen to your hands at least 20 minutes before your hands are exposed to the UV light. Number 7, give your nails a break from all the polishes, so the gel polish. Constant use of this, even non-toxic polish, can weaken the nail. Remove the nail polish, as I mentioned before, with an acetone-free polish remover, and then let your nails be polish free for a week or so they will strengthen. Cuticle oils are made with many nourishing ingredients and have a load of benefits to help strengthen your nails. Look for the ones that have plant oils like a jojoba, coconut oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil. All these contain a lot of antioxidants and fatty acids that will protect and nourish your dry skin and nails. The next thing, keep your nails on the shorter side, like I do. They don't have to be this short. Now, long nails are more likely to break and get caught on things, while shorter nails are less likely to chip, crack, or split, helping to keep them strong. Number 9, change how you file your nails. Filing your nails in a back and forth motion like this, like a saw, can actually cause weakening of the nails. Instead, file them in one direction. So it's more like from corner to center, corner to center, corner to center, corner to center. And be very careful not to file inside the corner here, because if you do, it will also weaken the nail. So try to keep your nails a little bit more on a square side. Number 10, manicures. Spa manicures, hot oil manicures with the right polishes. All these treatments will make your nails healthier and stronger. Let me know below if you have any questions, and if you have not subscribed yet, well, and you found this content good, please consider it. Give me a like, click the notification bell so you will not miss any of my educational tutorials. Check the upcoming tutorial on best ways to keep your nails healthy and happy. I hope that you found this video to be useful and walk away with simple and easy tips. Remember to treat yourself with love and respect. Until the next time, take care.